20 Shadow Work Prompts for Learned Helplessness. Overcoming learned helplessness can be a challenging but ultimately rewarding process. It requires exploring and transforming unconscious patterns and behaviors that contribute to a sense of helplessness and cultivating a sense of control and autonomy over one's life. This can involve working with a therapist, coach, or mentor to explore underlying patterns and beliefs that contribute to feelings of helplessness. It may include exploring the impact of past experiences on current beliefs and behaviors, as well as examining how one's environment influences their sense of control. Additionally, it is important to identify strengths and abilities that can be used to create a stronger sense of autonomy in life. Developing new skills, such as assertiveness, problem-solving, communication, and stress management, can also be helpful in building confidence and autonomy. Setting realistic goals and breaking them down into smaller achievable steps can help create a sense of progress towards greater control over life. The techniques of shadow work. Shadow work can be a powerful tool for this process, as it helps individuals understand and integrate the unconscious patterns and beliefs that shape their thoughts, behaviors, and emotions. In this video, we will provide 20 shadow work prompts specifically tailored to overcoming learned helplessness. These ideas can be altered for use in both solo and group settings, and are designed to support individuals in exploring and transforming the unconscious patterns and behaviors that contribute to a sense of helplessness. Whether you are just beginning your journey of overcoming learned helplessness or are looking for additional tools and techniques to support your growth and transformation, these prompts can provide a helpful guide and source of inspiration. 20 prompts for working with our shadow side. Reflect on a situation in your life where you felt helpless or out of control. What were your thoughts and feelings in that moment? Explore the beliefs and patterns that contribute to your sense of helplessness. How do these beliefs and patterns show up in your life? Imagine a time when you felt competent and in control. What were the circumstances and how did you feel? Consider the role of past experiences, particularly trauma, in shaping your sense of helplessness. How have these experiences influenced your beliefs and behaviors? Reflect on the ways in which you currently cope with feelings of helplessness. Are these strategies helpful or harmful? Imagine a different way of responding to feelings of helplessness. How might this approach be more helpful or effective? Identify any negative self-talk or inner critic messages that contribute to your sense of helplessness. How can you challenge and reframe these messages? Explore the role of relationships in your sense of helplessness. Are there certain relationships that contribute to or alleviate feelings of helplessness? Reflect on your sense of agency and control in your life. What are the areas where you feel most in control and least in control? Consider the role of your values and goals in your sense of helplessness. How can aligning with your values and setting achievable goals support a sense of control and agency? Explore the role of self-compassion and self-acceptance in overcoming learned helplessness. How can these qualities support a sense of control and agency? Reflect on the role of your thoughts and beliefs in shaping your sense of helplessness. How can challenging and reframing negative thoughts contribute to a sense of control? Consider the ways in which you can take small, achievable actions to build confidence and a sense of control in your life. Reflect on the role of mindfulness in overcoming these negative feelings. How can practicing mindfulness support a feeling of control and power? Explore the role of self-care in overcoming negative patterns. How can taking care of yourself support a sense of control and agency? Reflect on the role of positive relationships in overcoming feelings of inadequacy. How can seeking out and cultivating supportive relationships support a sense of independence and self-determination? Consider the role of therapy or counseling in dealing with instigators of helplessness. How can working with a mental health professional support a sense of control and agency? Reflect on the role of personal growth and transformation in overcoming learned helplessness. How can exploring and integrating the shadow self support a sense of autonomy and self-direction? Consider the role of creativity and self-expression in overcoming limiting beliefs. How can engaging in creative activities support a feeling of command and mastery? Reflect on the role of spirituality or a higher power in overcoming learned helplessness. How can turning to your spiritual practices or beliefs support a sense of self-governance and decision-making ability? A word on solo and group sessions. Solo sessions involve reflecting on personal experiences and emotions, allowing individuals to explore their own feelings of helplessness in a safe space. Group sessions, on the other hand, provide an opportunity to explore how relationships and outside support can help ease these feelings. Both types of work can be beneficial in helping people understand and overcome their negative emotions. The type of session that is most appropriate may depend on the individual's goals and needs. For example, someone looking for more insight into their internal struggles might benefit more from solo sessions, while someone looking to build better relationships might find group sessions more useful. Ultimately, it is up to the individual to decide which type of session works best for them. We hope that these 20 shadow work prompts for learned helplessness have provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for overcoming and triumphing in your self-care quest. Shadow work is a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation and can help individuals understand and transform unconscious patterns and behaviors that contribute to a sense of helplessness. As you work with these ideas, remember to be patient and kind to yourself. The process of overcoming learned helplessness can be challenging, and it is important to give yourself the time and space you need to grow and transform. Remember that self-compassion and self-acceptance are crucial qualities to cultivate in shadow work, and that seeking out supportive relationships and professional help can be an important part of the process. We encourage you to continue exploring and working with these concepts and to seek out additional resources and support as needed. Remember that you have the power and agency to make positive changes in your life, and that shadow work and overcoming learned helplessness can be a rewarding and transformative journey. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed the content.